Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change WhatsApp status to old style. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. Before diving in, ensure your WhatsApp app is updated for optimal security and performance. You can do this within the App Store, on iPhone, or Play Store on Android. Now open your WhatsApp app. At the bottom you have several options. Open updates. Here you will see that my status is in the new format. Now within the status tab you'll likely see channels you follow listed at the bottom. You will also see your channel that you created, that is if you have one. So if you have a channel you created, tap on it to open it. Next tap the top of the channel. Here scroll down and tap delete channel. Tap delete again to confirm your decision. Next go to the other channels you follow and tap on each channel you follow. Then tap the three dots menu icon. Finally, select unfollow channel and confirm with another tap on unfollow. Repeat this process for all channels you're subscribed to. After unfollowing, go back to the status tab and you will see that your status updates have switched back to the old style. That is how to change your WhatsApp status to old style. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.